gate agent, TSA, flight attendant, pilot. Those are the people you typically see when you go air travel. They're great at what they do. Vital to the airline industry. But the heart and soul of the whole operations are the ramp agents. People like me. What's up, man?
Hey.
Ready to work?
Huh?
Ready to work?
Yeah. Ready to work.
Yeah, the pilots is gonna get the big bucks, and deservingly so. They're gonna get the praises, as well as the flight attendants. The gate agents is gonna give you great customer service, and the TSA will protect and secure the airport. They all deserve praises, but gate agents, man, we work in such immense pressure. In such a short time, there's so many things to do. We are looking like a NASCAR pit every time we're out there because we have to do it with speed and efficiency. We're doing everything that we can to make sure that your flight does not get delayed, so you won't miss your grandma's birthday.
The blue thing.
The signature latte dough?
Yes, yes,
Pumpkin spice latte.
yes.
I only come for the points.
Weak sauce.
Sir.
See that?
We get more downtime because of COVID, so there's less planes and stuff. So all we do is we go to Dunkin' because we
When you wake up.
yeah, because we run on Dunkin' for real. Most people see us as the people that has the orange sticks, but we are so much more than that. We keep that plane balanced so it doesn't tip over. We're the ones that push it back because airplanes can't go reverse on themselves. We're also the ones that put the bags inside the plane securely and neatly, and making sure that those bags are safe and not just get tossed. We get those planes out as fast as possible, even before the scheduled time, and that saves you, the passengers, some money because it keeps the cost down. Getting it out 5 minutes early could save $5,000 in fuel, which turns you saving money. When you guys feel hot, we're even hotter. When you guys feel cold, we're even colder. We work outside no matter the weather. Could be snowing, could be raining, could be anything. We're still out there doing our job. Speed and efficiency. There's no shade to shelter us from the sun or the rain or the snow or hail. It's hard. I think one of the big things too that we do is when we marshaling the plane in or when it's about to get parked, we make sure that the plane doesn't go crashing into the terminal. You know, that's pretty important to me. You're like you could be a family member. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Micronesia.
In the middle of where? In the middle of the ocean?
Yeah, Pacific Ocean.
What do you look Filipino?
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, because Micronesia and Filipino kind of close.
Alright, so it's break time. I got a couple minutes. Well, got about half an hour to work out. So this is how I work out work. 1. Done working out, baby. That's it. It's done for the day. Time to pick up my friend. Look at it.
Why are you recording?
Cause it's for my vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Why for you?
So guys, we are a sushi bar. So if you've never been, all you gotta do is, so here's the menu. You just gotta check off whatever you want. So sushi, I want some salmon, shrimp tempura. Oh, my pencil. Shrimp tempura. Or spicy crab. Get some shrimp in here. Appetizers, let's get some appetizers. Snapper. Fried calamari. Let's get 3 of these. Shrimp shumai. Scallops. To the chicken teriyaki. That's it. That's how you fill it up. And then you just eat.
It's my first time in like a sushi place.
Sushi bar. You're gonna love it.
We'll see.
I guarantee it.
We'll see. I'm too picky.
Nope, you're gonna love it.
We'll see.
Put money on it. Round 1.
Yeah, you guys do like all that work. Like you load the planes, you have to make sure like the planes goes out on time.
Thank you. Oh my god. Alright, anyways.
But also we do works with the passengers, so we have to make sure like their reservation is good for them to go and stuff. So I believe it's like 50-50. Yeah, you guys are important too. But I'm not saying like you guys are more important than the agent.
I'm not saying we're more important. I think it's just I think we are not as valued as, you know.
Yeah, because I understand. Because at the time that the passenger says like, oh, we thank you so much, blah blah blah, they thank us, but not like the runway.
Yeah.
I get that. Yeah, that's true.
When they say like, oh, I missed my bags, and then all the gate agents do is they call us, can you get that bag? So we do all the work. And they get the praise.
Yeah, that's true. But we also have to work with like when you guys miss the bag, like
we never miss bags. That's a false. That never happened.
I'm not talking in our station, but like another station miss like a bag or something. We have to deal with those issues. Like we are the one who's gonna talk with the passenger, and we are the one who needs to respond to the question like why that bag didn't arrive with them.
Wanna take you out of places.